So here we are back with Play Pause It. In our last section, we looked at how to grab pre-made bulbs and view them and edit them. And now we're taking a look at how to design your own bulb. So when you click Design Video Bulb, it gives you the option of searching existing video channels, which you're really not searching a channel per se, you're just sorting the bulbs by their source. So for example, you may notice that all of these happen to be TED Talks right now. And if you click Khan Academy, all of the videos, they call that a channel. All of the pre-made bulbs that are on here will all be from Khan Academy. But you can actually create your very own bulb. So if we go back to Play Pause It, back to this screen, and you were to go onto YouTube and say search boys lacrosse for Caesar Rodney, you could copy the address of this video, go back here, and put that video URL into here. And if you give it a moment, it'll load it up. Click Continue. You have to give it a title. We'll call it CRLAX. You have to give it a learning objective. Let's say your purpose was to use this for coaching. And then you'd click Begin Building. Oh, I apologize. And there's your video. At this point, we could do a variety of things. You could crop the video because it's a 31-minute video. Let's say you only wanted to use this much of it. You could click Crop Video and make it much, much shorter. You could go ahead and add questions, and it gives you the choice of adding multiple choice, free response, reflective questions, or canceling that altogether. And here it gives you the time where you would want to put that question in. So once again, it would give you a little opportunity to preview your bulb. As you can see, this is now only an 11-minute video. And now you can see that your lacrosse video is right here on your dashboard with the rest of your bulbs. If you then wanted to go and assign a bulb to someone, you could click on the Assign Your Lesson tab and then go ahead and assign it to students in a particular class, and then it would prompt you to assign a due date for it as well. Otherwise, you could go ahead and simply give your students the search code, and when they get into Play Pause It, they would click this magnifying glass and type in this search code, much like they would be joining a Schoology course. Finally, the other way of sharing a bulb that you have created is to go ahead and click the Share button, and you can see that you will then get a URL or an embed code. So you could share the URL via email with your students, or you could put this in a Google Doc. You could put this in a Schoology course, and you could embed it in a Schoology course as well. So you have lots of different options to share your bulbs. None of them involve loading anything on the computer, so it's kind of like a video version of Google Docs or Schoology, in that as long as you have the app, you're able to maneuver around and view anything you want. All of the students in Caesar Rodney have Play Pause It, so they should be able to view any pre-made bulb that you create.